Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML programming language for beginners. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the essential building block of all web pages. It provides the structure for content, using a system of elements and tags. Think of it as the skeleton of any website you visit. Understanding HTML is your first crucial step into web development, allowing you to create and organize information on the internet. We will cover its core concepts and practical application. Now, let's dive into the essential concepts of HTML. You'll learn about common tags like heading 1 for titles, paragraph for text, anchor for links, and image for pictures. Understanding how to use attributes which provide extra information to these tags is also key. We'll explore the basic document structure, including the doc type, HTML, head, and body elements, which are fundamental for every web page. Finally, we'll touch upon semantic HTML for better organization. To truly grasp HTML, hands-on practice is indispensable. You'll want to use a simple text editor, such as Visual Studio Code or Notepad++, to write your code. Save your files with a .html extension, for example, index.html. Then, simply open these files directly in any web browser to instantly see your creations come to life. Experiment with different tags and attributes to build various simple web pages, reinforcing your learning with practical application. As you progress, there are several excellent next steps. Continue exploring comprehensive online tutorials from resources like W3 Schools or MDN Web Docs. Consistent practice by building small, personal projects is vital for solidifying your skills. Once comfortable with HTML, expand your knowledge by learning CSS for styling your web pages and JavaScript for adding interactivity. Joining online communities can also provide valuable support and opportunities for collaboration on your journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.